Hello there. We've come to the end of our lessons on respiration. We talked about the two main types of respiration. In this lesson, we're also going to go over them briefly. So, without wasting much time, let's go on to what we have for today. Today, we're talking about respiration and photosynthesis. These are two very important processes in a living organism. They are two very important processes. We're going to look at the relationship between these two processes. So we're first going to do a quick review or short recap on photosynthesis. We as animals obtain food. We need to take in food, break down the food to release energy. But for plants, they do not need to go hunting for food. For them, they only need to make their own food by the process which we call photosynthesis. In the process called photosynthesis, the plant combines water and then carbon dioxide using the energy from the sun. Water is obtained from the soil by a process called osmosis. The carbon dioxide diffuses into the stomata of the leaves, and then the light is trapped by the chlorophyll. Now, at the end of photosynthesis, glucose and oxygen are produced. Glucose is our main product. Oxygen is our byproduct. So the raw materials for photosynthesis are water and carbon dioxide. Sunlight is also needed. You can see from this equation, carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to give us glucose and oxygen. Last time we talked about the transverse section of the leaf or the cross section of the leaf. We got to see that there are specialized cells called the palisade cells. These palisade cells contain lots of chloroplasts, and that is the main site for photosynthesis. So photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. So when you have a cell that has lots of chloroplasts, clearly that cell can undergo photosynthesis. So the main site for photosynthesis is the chloroplast. The chloroplast contain chlorophyll that trap energy from the sun. So the energy from the sun is trapped, carbon dioxide from the leaves, water from the roots. They combine them and then they produce glucose as our main product and oxygen as our byproduct.